Okay, now I will introduce the distance formula with an easy example. And I just made some coffee. Would you like some? No? Okay, well, I thought it would be rude not to ask. Let's find the distance between points negative 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 5. So first let's plot these points. Negative 1 comma 2, we run before we jump, so 1 unit to the left, 2 units up from the origin. You can label the point as well, negative 1 comma 2, and 3 comma 5. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. So what we want to know is the distance between these 2 points. So that's what we want to find out right here using the distance formula. Now we need x1 and y1, x2 and y2 before we can even get started. And I will say that with this first point, that negative 1 is x1, and I meant to write a y here, and that 2 is y1. So we have x1 comma y1, and over here x2 and y2. x2 is 3, y2 is 5. Now we can actually plug everything into the formula. Let me just make some room here for every element. x2, we start with x2 is just 3, so I can plug the 3 in here, and we're subtracting x1, which is negative 1. Now since we're subtracting a negative, I'll put a parentheses over here around the negative 1. Then we have y2, which is 5, right? y2 minus y1, and y1 is 2. There. Okay, now we're subtracting a negative number. So that means that we're adding it. So we have 3 plus 1. Still squared, of course. And the 5 minus 2 squared. Now remember PEMDAS. This is very, very important. The order of operations. Parentheses come before exponents. So before we can square anything, we need to take care of what's inside the parentheses first. So 3 plus 1 is 4, so we have 4 squared, plus 5 minus 2, so 3 squared. Wow, we're almost done. 4 squared is just 4 times 4, which is 16. 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So we have the square root of 25. And what is the square root of 25? It's just 5. So that is the distance between the 2 points. And we have found it out with the quadratic formula. So now I recommend, of course, that you give it a try with some practice, try different problems, and good luck.